I would absolutely recommend Pilates as a prenatal routine, and I would do so specifically to encourage my friends to come to In and Up Pilates and Stephanie. She has had her own pregnancies. She's worked with many pregnant women. I know from seeing her work with pregnant women and having worked with her myself that she is so strategic about each one of the women, and each one is such a customized process, and we are always safer and happier for it.